Hello amazing people, I hope you're doing great. It's jacobcrypobury here on a lovely British morning. We're going to check out Luna Classic today. We can see Luna is rather independent and it's not really moving with the rest of the market. It's completely ignoring the bearish sentiment that Bitcoin is insinuating right now. So we can see trading at $0.000127, up 3.71%, up 9.6% against Bitcoin. We're up 14% against Ethereum. Can we get a subscribe for Terra Luna Classic? Because it's looking amazing at the moment. Last 3 months have been relatively good. We had this sideways accumulation and we were saying a decisive move is going to happen soon. We got this huge price explosion. So let's check it out, because so far exactly what we were hoping should happen is happening. And we can see we got that breakout through to 0.00141 just literally yesterday. So that's super bullish here for Luna Classic. So we actually flipped it into a support level just temporarily. Unfortunately, we have been rejected and we're getting that slight continuation to the downside. But what is happening and what is quite crucial is that Terra Luna Classic is now trading in this range that we spoke about between the 0.000117 level and the 0.000137 level. So it's very important that we can consolidate here. If you look at the daily time frame, it's been a red candle. So we had that correction, which didn't look too bad, to be honest, if we actually have a look at it. Corrected down to that 0.5 fib level. Now we are just basically consolidating here. Bollinger Bands sitting at the very top, so we finally got another touchdown there. We're consolidating 20-day moving average. We are, however, a little bit overextended for my liking. Historically, being overextended on the 20-day EMA does result in a bit of a pullback in price, but we could just simply trade sideways and let the EMA catch up so it looks like this, that could also effectively happen, but it means we need to consolidate here for at least a good week or so. Let's check the 4-hour time frame. We can see we were a little bit overbought on the RSI. We had a bearish divergence playoff, but to be honest, I'm not too worried about Terra Luna Classic here. I think it's actually looking okay. Hourly time frame, we can see we're getting so many touchdowns on this support level, which is good actually. It's showing a lot of strength. We are getting the bounce each time. And at the moment, we're just trading between the resistance and the support region. So, it's really difficult to say what might 100% happen, but effectively we can go up and try to retest resistance, or we can just go back down and try to retest support. I'm not going to say what's definitely going to happen, because the truth is no one knows. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Don't care who you are, you don't know, okay? Because if you knew, you wouldn't be making YouTube videos, because you'd already be retired, because you know what's going to happen, right? Yeah, exactly. So yeah, in my opinion, I think it's important to identify this 0.00165 level key resistance, but if we can break through again and hold the support of 0.00137, I think there's a bigger chance that we'll be able to actually come back up to here and maybe even break through for the 0.0002 level. That would be extremely exciting. Of course, on the macro scale, it's still technically a lower high, which isn't the best thing in the world. And if you look at all the other swing lows that we've had here, you could argue that maybe it's just one massive descending channel, and maybe we will never actually even break through here, and we will still get a swing low back down to the 0.00006. It's just all speculation, isn't it, when it comes to cryptocurrency, really, guys? But I think it looks rather good. I think we're getting what we need on the smaller time frames, which is this. It's the higher low, and it's the higher high at the same time. So we do have an ascending channel here for Luna Classic on this time frame. So keep your eyes peeled on it. I think it's looking bullish. It's a continuation pattern. And what happened prior to this? Well, it was a big pump. So the trend should follow as upwards. The trend is your friend. Fingers crossed we're going to see a big pump here, guys. What else have we got? Bitcoin. Well, let's do a little update, because Bitcoin lost its rising wedge just recently. We can see we also lost the symmetrical triangle that we were talking about. We bounced perfectly off the 19.9k support level. If we hold this, it'll be good. We need to get another retest now up to 21.3k, because it does look quite bearish. Ideally, a bounce up to here, retest, and then maybe we can even form some sort of head and shoulders. I'm not really sure, but we do need to get out of this particular this swing low, because if we lose the support, it's going to be nasty. We're going to come down, retest, might hit 18.9k, might go lower to 18.6k, may even see the worst of 17.5k here for Bitcoin. Hopefully it's not going to happen. I do want to see us retest the resistance on this macro resistance trend line on the diagonal. I want to see Bitcoin come up to about 22.9k and retest that resistance level, which is right there, as you see on the macro scale, because so far it's just been a dirty dumpage, hasn't it? It's just been a complete downtrend. It hasn't really been very lucrative for us, And yeah, it's just not great. Terra Luna Classic is trending all over Twitter. People are getting euphoric, strong buy. Loads of people are getting really, really happy about what's going on with Luna Classic at the moment. And I can't tell them, otherwise, to be honest. Look, it's one of the strongest performers, as we see, amongst other cryptos. It's looking really good. Seems like it's got an inverse relationship to Bitcoin, Ethereum at the moment. We're getting lots of burning, taxing, all the protocol deployments are happening, and that guy, I can't remember his name, EK26 or something, the developer, is just doing a smashing job at keeping everyone informed and updated in the Terra Luna Classic community. Fiat and Greed Index today sitting at 28, Rainbow Chart we're sitting at 20. What were we on about? Sorry, we're sitting in the dark blue, so it's still accumulation season, guys. Let's grab crypto cheap today. Not financial advice, but this is when I start to buy crypto, is when we are back in this dark blue region, because it makes the most sense. And yeah, before I go, guys, shout out to Tamadoge, a project I am invested in. I've got about $3,300 here. Next 100x meme coin. I personally think this is a great project. It's solid proof, audited, KYC'd by CoinSniper, security is at the forefront of the mind. We can also see Tamadoge NFTs. They've got the Tamaverse. The Tama native token is your gateway into the Tamaverse. 2 billion supply, deflationary, completely tax-free for a meme coin. It's also in pre-sale, so I'll show you quickly. 4 weeks into pre-sale. What's crazy is, if we look, I'm just going to disconnect my wallet, we can see already they've raised $8.8 million in just 4 weeks. I'm so bullish on this particular project. And if I connect my wallet quickly for you, I don't know if I can put my password in, hopefully not. You can see my purchase Tamadoge is here at the very end. Is it going to load? Is it going to show you? Well, it's about 169,000 Tamadoge. I don't know why it's not showing you. Either way, really bullish. I thought I'd share this with you because the last pre-sale we analyzed on this channel went up by 700%, and that was Battle Infinity. So yeah, guys, this is another little lucrative opportunity if you want to check it out. Not financial advice. Tamadoge.io. I'll leave a link down below for you. They're doing a $100,000 giveaway too. And have a cracking weekend. See you soon. Fingers crossed we can get this, Luna Classic doing some good things soon. I think we are going to make the next leg up soon to 0.00013. Of course, it does rely on the sentiment of the rest of the market. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, comment, do all those YouTubey thingies, hit that notification bell, say hi in the Discord. Why not? That's the only place you can message me, by the way. I'll never message you in the comments. Well, I will, but I'll never ask you for details or ask you to message me. So just watch out. Lots of scammers. If you see people with loads of numbers above their name imitating me, it's not me. So do not reply. Do not even engage. Just completely ignore them. They are scammers. Yes, that's right. Okay. Anyways, I shall see you soon, and bye for now.